give you a quick review of this unit here. How y'all doing? How y'all been? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here visiting my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. Come on in, have a seat. So let's get into this sleigh here. So this unit is being brought to us by Sensationnel, and this is part of their Dashley collection, and this is their start card for this here unit. This is a HD lace. Keep them guessing, huh? It's a deep center part with baby hairs, which I like brush them back, comb them back, or whatever. I'm not here for it. I mess with them sometimes, sometimes I don't. And this is the dump time. So anyway, where I left off. So it's heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. And like I said, this is sensational. This is the lace unit 19. I have her in the color Money Piece Hazel. That is the back of the stock card. It has the normal care instructions. And once again, this is the front of that stock card. And so let me get into so let's not be deceived. First of all, this is a synthetic unit, and she is a little shedder. She is not a whole lot of shedding, but this is the shedding I got from the brush from trying to comb out those tangles. So she was a little tangle out the pack. I don't think it had nothing to do with me cutting the lace or anything like that, because lace don't have nothing to do with tangling. That's the shedding part. But she tangled straight out the box, and there's probably still some tangles probably still in it. So anyway, so yes, please know that she's a shedder. Not a whole lot of shedding, but the normal wear and tear of a synthetical unit. She's a shedder. So yeah, and you can see how long she is. So you're bound to get some tangles here and there. So there go those geriatric hairs up in there that I put back in there. I probably can like cut this lace some more. Or I don't have this unit glued down or anything like that. So yeah, there's that. So you can cover that part up like that. You can put in a ponytail. You can cut it off some, like right there. Because this right here, you see how ratty that is? Yeah, so you're going to need to do something with that. So, but she's cute. If you just want to take a picture or something like that. Yeah, she's cute. But, yeah. So, this is her on the left. That's her on the left. I'm going to throw that back here. This is her on the right. So we're going to throw the back side back there so we can check out what this back looking like. So that's her all the way in the back. Yeah, that's how far she comes down. Like, yeah, right there. So let's see. What's this? Yeah, Lace Unit 19, that Dashley collection. So yeah, so I had 2 units I had to review from Sensational, and the other 4 units I have are by my friends, Outre, however you want to pronounce. So yeah, so this is that one. Let me know what y'all think of her. Maybe I already have her. I had her for a while. I'm just getting around to reviewing. Feel me? So let me know what y'all think of Lace Unit number 19 and the color Money Piece Hazel. She cute. I like her. Would I recommend you buy her? Because I already bought her. Would I recommend that you buy her? Yes. The buyer beware of the shedding and the tangling. The shedding isn't that bad. It's just once you get the tangles out, you probably don't have to deal with the shedding anymore. So let me tell you what products I use for the, because they have flyaways, and I use this for the flyaways. And what else did I use? And then I use Ebin 5-second detangler for wigs. I use that. And I use the tint spray. I use that. Did I use tint spray? No, I did not use tint spray. All I used was the hair fetish, the lace and knot eraser kit. I used that shade right there. So yeah, so those are all the products that I used on this here unit. Let me know what y'all think of her down in the comments. And thank y'all for y'all continued support. I see you on my next upload. Remember to stay safe. Mask up, because this stuff is like, yeah. I took the mask off for a hot minute. It just depends on where I go, though. It just depends on where I go. So, I like her. I'm about to take some pictures in before I take her off and do my other review. So, y'all let me know what y'all think of her down in the comments. And I'll see you soon. Thank you for your continued support. And love you much. See you soon.